2024 was another defining year in the long-running rivalry between the world's two aerospace giants, Boeing and Airbus. Both companies faced turbulent skies, navigating supply chain challenges, shifting market demands, and intense pressure to deliver aircraft to eager customers. But while both struggled, the scoreboard told two very different stories. By the close of the year, Boeing had delivered 348 aircraft to customers, less than half the number managed by Airbus, which reached 766 deliveries, a margin of 418 planes, in Airbus's favor. Deliveries are more than just numbers. They are the lifeblood of commercial aircraft manufacturing, as airlines typically pay the bulk of the purchase price when the aircraft is handed over. Airbus also dominated in new business. In 2024, it recorded 826 net orders, compared to Boeing's 317. These orders represent the future, a forward-looking indicator of market confidence and production pipelines. For Boeing, 2024 was marked by setbacks and recovery attempts. The year began under a cloud when a door panel on a 737 MAX blew out mid-flight due to missing bolts after repair work, and it ended tragically with the crash of a Boeing 737-800 in Muon, South Korea, killing all but 2 of the 181 people on board. Investigations are ongoing, but so far there is no evidence linking the crash to design flaws. Adding to these troubles, Boeing's production was halted for 8 weeks when machinists went on strike. This stoppage deeply impacted output, though deliveries resumed in December, with the company handing over 30 aircraft that month alone. Despite the challenges, December brought a surge in orders, 142 new aircraft, including 100 737 MAX jets for Turkey's Pegasus Airlines and 30 787 Dreamliners for Fly Dubai. However, over 130 orders were simultaneously removed from Boeing's books following the collapse of India's Jet Airways. Under new leadership, CEO Kelly Ortberg, appointed in July, Boeing is pushing to stabilize operations and ramp up production. Its target: producing 38 737 MAX jets per month by May 2025. But industry experts remain cautious, warning that supply chain complexities and the company's recent safety reputation could make this goal difficult to achieve. Across the Atlantic, Airbus faced its own production hurdles. Supply chain bottlenecks, especially in cabin equipment, engines, and seating, slowed ramp-up efforts. Yet, the European manufacturer ended the year just shy of its reduced annual target of 770 planes, with 766 deliveries, still a 4% increase over 2023. December 2024 was a record month for Airbus, with 123 aircraft delivered, the highest in its history. The company also expanded its order book with 826 net orders for the year, underscoring strong demand across global markets. Christian Scherer, CEO of Airbus's commercial aircraft division, called the year good despite the difficult environment, expressing confidence that Airbus could surpass its 2019 record of 863 annual deliveries in the foreseeable future. A key factor in Airbus's resilience has been its evolving relationship with suppliers. In 2024, the company deepened partnerships, shifting from purely transactional arrangements to operational collaboration. Most suppliers have now adapted to support planned production increases, though challenges remain with partners such as Spirit Aerosystems and certain cabin component manufacturers. Scherer credits this approach for Airbus's ability to keep production on a steady upward path. Although we haven't ramped up as quickly as our customers would like, we've shown great strength alongside our supply chain partners. The 2024 Boeing-Airbus rivalry wasn't just about numbers. It was a reflection of each company's resilience under pressure. Airbus leveraged strong supply chain coordination and a record-breaking December to cement its lead, while Boeing fought to recover from strikes, production delays, and safety scrutiny. For Boeing, the road ahead depends on restoring customer trust, streamlining production, and meeting ambitious output goals. For Airbus, the challenge lies in sustaining its momentum, managing supplier constraints, and breaking its own delivery records. In the high-stakes world of aviation manufacturing, the race is never truly over. Every order, every delivery, and every production target marks just one leg in a much longer flight path. And in 2024, that path favored Airbus. But Boeing is far from grounded.